our watermelon wonder is going to really tantalize your taste buds and keep you full, because that's what it's all about. On a weight management program, we don't want to be feeling hungry. So let's start off with some watermelon. I'm going to put in just a couple of cubes there, maybe 4 or 5, and then just half a stalk of celery. This is going to give me my vegetable content. It's also going to help regulate the blood sugar levels of the fruit. In there as well, let's put some linseeds. They've got essential fatty acids, and those essential fatty acids are terrific for hair, skin and nails. Then we've got the Healthista lean vegan diet protein in strawberry. I love that one, but of course I would because I formulated it. Together with some almond milk. So we pop that in there. A non-dairy shake is what we're getting, but a non-dairy shake that's going to be delicious and nutritious. Pop that on and we're away. Gave that one final turbocharge, and what we end up with is, have a look at this. This is fluffy. You can't see the celery and you won't taste it. What you will taste is the berries together with the watermelon and the delicious protein powder as well. Hope you enjoy it.